Yo, literally, what is up, everyone? My name is Tom. We're going to talk about unusual options activity. All right, so disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. The statements made in this programming are solely the opinion of the show and are not a specific inducement to make an investment. One must perform their own due diligence and realize that all investments carry risk. There's no guarantee of profit. All right, everyone, that's super important. All right, everybody. So the first one I want to bring up is American Water Works. This is a water and wastewater utility company. So as you can see here, we have a June 18th 155 strike call. So you can see here, this thing never trades options. Now you can see here, literally barely any open interest. There's barely any people that own any of these contracts. Let's see how it looks over here. Not a whole lot, you know. So if there's a big order in this one, which there was, that is highly unusual because this thing never trades options. So if you look over here and go to this 155 strike calls, you can already see this. So at 12:09:06, I'll sort it by this. You can see all this buying right here. Somebody came in and got all these at $11.40, $11.40, or this is going to be $1,140 per option contract because every contract is 100 shares. So you take this $11.40 and multiply it by 100. Kind of weird, but that's just how it works. So each one of these contracts is $1,140. So I like this one. We're in these calls. Now let's take a look at the chart here. This chart is highly unusual for a utility company. This stock moves around a whole lot. Usually utility companies, the stock stays relatively flat and they offer good dividends. But yeah, this one moves to the upside quite significantly, and I like it here. You know, it's sitting right at the 50-day moving average. It dipped below, but it looks like it's coming back up. Hopefully, it'll have some good support there, and I'll be playing this one for a little bit of upside. Maybe looking to make a double and then get out. So this one is definitely not a long-term hold. Just looking for a quick pop, hopefully, and we'll get out of these ones. All right, next one is TENB, Tenable Holdings. This is a cybersecurity software company, and cybersecurity stocks have been on fire recently. Ever since the SolarWinds hack, these stocks have just been roaring. And you know, with all the working from home and you know all of the remote work, cybersecurity is going to become really important in my view. And just in general, you know, with all these hacks going on, technology is advancing. I think we need more cybersecurity companies, better cybersecurity technology, and especially cybersecurity offered software as a service. So, as you can see here, we have these March 19th 65 calls. Now, same thing here. This one does not trade a lot of options. I just saw both of these ones, did a little research, saw they didn't trade a lot of options, researched about the company, and I just jumped in. So I like this one as well. Now we'll come down here and check out the action. So March, what was it? Oh, it's right there. So as you can see here, someone came in and got 1,000 of these things at $2 each. Not a massive order, but you know, sometimes the smaller people are right. The smaller people, you know, they buy up before the stock makes a huge move, and then you'll see all the $1 million orders. So, you know, sometimes it pays off to follow a little smaller of an order. This isn't that small of an order. This is still a $200,000 order. But you know, there's $1 million orders, $2 million orders crossing the tape every single day, and you know, sometimes the small orders pay off, in my opinion and experience. So as you can see here, I think this was around the time of the SolarWinds hack, and this thing just exploded to the upside. It looks like now it's trying to get through that 55 level, right where my cursor is, and yeah, we're playing this one. We're playing this one for some upside. So let's go, everyone. Thanks to everyone who's been subscribing. I really appreciate it. Keep these subscribing going. Always remember, guys, I'm here to tell you guys what I do and why it works for me. Hopefully you guys can learn from it. I'm not here to tell you guys what to do. Always keep that in mind. Just keep grinding, keep doing your research, keep learning. It's going to be worth it. We're all going to get to financial freedom someday very soon. So let's go, people. Keep the grind going.